Where does the name for the Afon Elwy, or in English, the River Elwy, come from? So today I'm in Llangernyw, and this river behind me is the Afon Elwy. It flows from the hills up here, through Llangernyw, all the way down to St Asaph, or Llan Elwy, where it meets the River Clwyd. Let's get into the name.
The first part of the name is Afon, which means river, from Proto-Brythonic Afon, from Proto-Celtic Abu. This is found all across Britain, but in Wales it's just the standard word for a river. Then we have Elwy. It seems to me that Elwy is from a word el, which formed part of a very old verb root related to the word to go, likely linked with a Proto-Indo-European verb, hey, and thus meant swift or quick moving, with wy, which is the soft mutated form of gwy, the same as gwy in Conwy, Mynwy and Deganwy. Now river names are special and a bit difficult to explain as they tend to change a lot less than other place names, and thus preserve very old forms of languages, or even languages that are no longer here. There's a theory that the word gwy itself may be just such a remnant, a word for rivers from a language that's no longer spoken in Britain. People think that because it doesn't have any related words in the related languages to Welsh. I've also read a theory that the L part of the name is related to a word meaning bending or curved. And there's another theory that it comes from the word elw, meaning prophet in Welsh, but this looks like a folk etymology to me, as what would the E at the end mean? The river itself comes from Moel Seissiog, but only gets the name Elwy where the rivers Cledwen, Collen and Gallen meet here in Llangernyw. It gives its name to Llanelwy, which it flows through, which in English is called St Asaph. Interestingly, it seems to have been the place to be in the Paleolithic. There are caves up and down the Elwy Valley that have Neanderthal remains, and it includes the furthest northwest remains of a Neanderthal ever found.
So the name literally means fast waters, fast river. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe. If you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, and a couple outside of it as well sometimes, you can on my Patreon, the link's in my bio. Diolch, have a good one.